Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're a collector like I am, you probably have a bunch of old doilies sitting around. So much work goes into making these that it's just a shame to leave them sit in a box. So I came up with a fun and easy, kid-friendly craft to take these old doilies and transform them into something to be appreciated. So stay tuned. So for this craft, obviously you're going to need some antique doilies. These are so easy to find at thrift stores or yard sales. Most of the time they're 10, 25 cents a piece. So anytime I see them, I pick them up. I'm going to start with this one right here. Take your doily, measure the approximate size, and then go to the craft store and pick up an embroidery hoop. These bamboo embroidery hoops are very inexpensive. I think I paid $3 for this one. You can also buy a multi-pack from Amazon, which I linked below. They come in all different sizes. This one I believe is a 10-inch, which seems to fit my doily pretty well. To start off, we're going to open up our embroidery hoop. Then you're going to lay your doily over the top. Try to get it nice and centered as close as possible. This can be adjusted in the next step, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to take your top frame and loosen it up and slide it right over the top. So if you just pull the sides of the doily down, you can get it kind of repositioned and nice and tight across the embroidery hoop. Once you have your doily stretched over the frame, you have two choices. You can either leave the fringe on the outside, or you can go ahead and just trim it off. If you're going to trim it off, flip the frame over and just use some scissors to slowly snip right around the edges. So for this one, I'm going to leave the fringe on because it matches the feathers that I'm going to use in the next step. Fun fact, my mom has raised peacocks for years, and when she first got her peacocks, we couldn't figure out who was in the backyard calling for help, because when the peacocks call out, it sounds like a woman shrieking, "Help me, help me!" Mom would always have a really big vase full of peacock feathers. My daughters love to hang these over their bed, believing that the good dreams will pass through and the bad dreams get caught in the dream catcher. Ready to catch all the bad dreams. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY content. Until next time, stay curious and stay creative.